Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Vivina Cirisi. I'm 44 years old. I live in Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. I have a husband and I have six children. Their age are 24, 16, 14, 12, 10, and 9. I have a work experience in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 2 months. My main duty are cleaning the house, washing, ironing, cooking, and take care children. The children age are 2, 4, 10. I'm a trustworthy, patient, and obedient, and hardworking also and love cooking. To the future employer, I promise I follow your rules and regulation. And don't worry, I love children already. I love kids. I love your kids like my own children. I hope you can choose me, ma'am. Good day and God bless.